Welcome to the Ethereal Psychic Development Academy. In this video, we're diving into the fascinating world of chakras. But what are they? And how do they impact our daily lives? Let's find out. Often depicted as whirling discs of light, chakras are energy hubs scattered throughout the body. These centers control the movement of prana, the life force. Age-old spiritual traditions connect each of our 7 main chakras to a specific aspect of our mental, emotional, and spiritual well-being. The root chakra, also known as Muladhara, is the base of the spine and is symbolic of survival and grounding. The Sacral Chakra, Svadhisthana, which is located directly below the navel, is in charge of expression of the emotions and creativity. Located in the upper belly, the solar plexus chakra, Manipura, governs self-confidence and strength. The heart chakra, or Anahata, is in the middle of the chest and is associated with forgiveness, love, and compassion. Throat chakra, Vishuddha. This chakra, located in the throat, is associated with self-expression and communication. Located between the eyebrows, Ajna, also known as the third eye chakra, symbolizes greater wisdom and intuition. Crown chakra, Sahasrara. This chakra, located at the top of the head, is associated with enlightenment and spiritual awakening. When the chakras are in balance, energy flows freely through the body, promoting well-being and inner tranquility. But abnormalities in the body, mind, or spirit can result from blocking one or more chakras. Techniques like yoga, meditation, and breathwork can help bring your chakras back into harmony. Do you ever have unfounded fears or excessive anxiety? That could be a sign of a root chakra imbalance. Alternatively, a throat chakra obstruction could be the cause of your difficulty expressing yourself. By identifying these indicators, you can target particular components of your energy system. You can use healing stones, imagination, or working with a professional energy healer to help open and balance your chakras. You can also activate and balance the energy by focusing on the specific hue associated with each chakra. Remember, chakras are powerful portals that lead to heightened spiritual consciousness and self-awareness. They enable you to lead a life of harmony and connection when they are in balance. On your spiritual path, make sure to investigate and cultivate your energy centers. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more about psychic development and mediumship, don't forget to subscribe and join Ethereal Psychic Development Academy for more insightful content.